Hi, let us see how to do the installation of Apache Tomcat9 using Windows Service Installer. The installer can be downloaded from the download page of Tomcat9 where it is available for both 32-bit and 64-bit. I can click this link and that's going to provide me the exe file. Let me go ahead and execute the specific exe file. As we discussed earlier, the prerequisites for Tomcat installation is Java. So before doing the installation, we need to make sure we have the JDK installed. If it is not installed, we can go ahead and download the JDK from the specific location. As we discussed earlier, Java 8 and above is must for Tomcat installation. I can go ahead and do the installation of Java 8 by downloading the JDK from this specific location. As per the requirement, JRE is sufficient enough. We are going ahead and doing the installation of JDK because we are going to use few of the features of JDK as a part of advanced configurations. Already JDK is installed in my system and Java Home is configured as a part of the environmental variable. As a part of the system settings, environmental variables, I do have Java Home pointing to the JDK 8 location where it is installed. Let me proceed with the installation of Tomcat. Let me go ahead and agree the license agreement. And it's going to provide me the options of what are all the applications to be installed and the other features to be installed. I'm going to select all the features, that is service startup. Whenever the system is getting started, automatically Tomcat service will also get started. And another configuration of Tomcat is native installation. That's going to provide better performance. More in detail about native installation and configuration, we will be seeing it in future. Let me go ahead and select the host manager and examples so that that application will also get installed as a part of this specific installation. It's going to provide the option to configure the port. I'm selecting the port 8080 and the Tomcat service name, how it should get added as a part of the services, and what should be the username and password for admin GUI and manager GUI. Let me provide a username and password, and it's going to look for the JRE. I can go ahead and have the JRE selected. By default, it's going to select the JRE based on the configuration already we have. So in the specific location, I already have the JRE. In case if you have installed JDK, it's going to select the JDK. So within program files, so I'm selecting the JDK. The location where Tomcat should be installed, I'm leaving the default value. In case if required, I can go ahead and change. Let me go ahead and do the installation. The installation of Tomcat is done. It will provide me the option to start the Tomcat. Let me go ahead and start the Tomcat. Tomcat will get started and it's going to provide a tray icon where I can control, configure and see the details about the Tomcat from this specific location. By default, it is made as automatic to get started when the system getting restarted. Let me go ahead and access this specific installation, localhost :8080. I got the index page. That means the installation is successful. Let me log into the manager application. It will prompt me to provide the user ID and password. Let me provide the user ID and password. Sign in. I'm able to get the manager application. Here are the list of applications that got deployed. Let me access the host manager, provide the username password. I'm able to access the host manager. So the installation within Windows is as simple as download the installer and run the installer.